I just took out 2 of these. They are the spring roll shells. Super thin for crispier spring roll. 25 pieces. I took 2 out because we're gonna make plantain lumpia and mango lumpia later. So I'm gonna let these thaw. They were in the freezer, so we're gonna let them thaw out now. For the mango lumpia, we cut the mango. We wait for it to be ripe.
Get them out the peel.
We got 2 mangoes. We have our spring roll sheets that we'll put them in later. For the banana lumpia, you have to do it with plantains. You can't do banana lumpia with bananas. You have to do it with plantains. Now we're going to put, how much brown sugar would you say? As much as you want.
As much as you want. Don't get too sweet because bananas is already sweet.
Okay. This is for the plantain lumpia. Some cinnamon.
Mix it with that.
Here's the brown sugar and cinnamon that we have. We just put this much for that many bananas.
And roll these bananas in there.
Roll the banana in the sugar and cinnamon.
There's the spring rolls. You have to separate.
Okay, now we can start. Look at all of our, and then we have our mango one.
Okay, sweetie. Well, you take care.
So the mango we didn't sweeten at all, just ripe mango. And then we're gonna take one of our spring roll, like so.
All right, hon.
Pour yourself a little dish of egg white to like glue the wrap around, if that makes sense. Here's the plantain lumpia, and here's the mango. Now we just got to fry it.
For instance, the swabs are coming in by the millions. They're coming in, literally coming in by the millions.
I'm gonna try to fry this by myself. Pretty much, my Lola's outside, and she asked me to fry it, so I've never fried it, but I mean, how hard can it be?
We want to have the farmers take care. They've been coming for years and years, and they're helping our farmers, and they've been coming in for years. We don't want to do, the border's being turned off.
Okay, my Lola told me to put it on medium heat. So I put it on medium heat, and then I put some oil in there. I'm just going off of what I see my mom doing. I feel like that point is good enough for half of the lumpia to be in there because the mango ones are kind of big. Now I'm just gonna wait until that gets like moderately hot, and then I'm gonna put those bad boys on in there.
Give me a wash my hand.
I feel like it's hot enough.
Oh yeah. If you feel it's feel hot, then it should be good. Oops, it's not yet. So, now you can leave it in there.
Feels hot.
It's the reason why from early on, President
Guess not.
No, it's not sizzling
to raise the
I put one in. Wasn't hot enough, even though I thought it was. And she turned it up a little bit. And now I'm waiting until this one's sizzling so that I can put the others in. Here's the finished product.
That's really.
I feel like I did pretty good, honestly. We got the mango lumpia. Lola, what do you think?
yet. So good.
Good? Papa, what do you think?
Papa.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Good?